This afternoon, a federal judge said most of North Carolina's new abortion law would take effect tonight at midnight as planned. She did block a small portion of the law that deals with doctors' paperwork. WRAL's Destiny Patterson joins us now live with reaction as the change approaches. Destiny?
Well, the parking lot here has been full, just about every parking space taken up. I went inside earlier and the waiting room was packed. The executive director tells me that's likely due in part to this new abortion law that goes into effect tomorrow and the changes that will come with it. It's a race to make sure that providers are following the law. In that same time, it's changed multiple times in the past 2 days.
Unfortunately, that's been a lot of stuff's been in the air.
Starting tomorrow, women looking to get abortion care will need to do so before they hit the 12-week mark in their pregnancy.
This will absolutely harm patients.
It's a lot of adding a lot of extra steps for patients and staff alike.
Under the new abortion law, patients will need to make an in-person appointment 72 hours before the procedure itself.
It is going to keep people from getting the abortion care that they need.
Attorney Josh Stein called some parts of the law unconstitutional.
Because the legislature rushed a bill through in 48 hours without a committee hearing, without any opportunity for public input, without any amendments. And as a result, it was a mess.
On the other hand, Caitlin Connors with the Susan B. Anthony Pro-Life America nonprofit called today's ruling a crucial win for the unborn and their mothers. Just yesterday, Governor Cooper signed a new bill to clarify the abortion law. Many of the lawsuit's complainants were resolved with that measure.
We're definitely talking about two separate people at this point anyway. We're talking about the woman who was pregnant. And we're always talking about that baby that she's pregnant with. So a lot of the narrative has been drawn away from the baby.
Tanya Baker Nelson, the founder of a local pregnancy center, says she's glad to know most of the law will take effect. However, the judge temporarily put a pause on the requirement that doctors must document the specific location of the pregnancy in the patient before the procedure.
It's a travesty. It truly is a travesty. It's very disappointing to read that they're not going to require that.
There's still other issues to be settled in court over whether parts of the law violate the rights of doctors and patients, and that could take months or even years.
Destiny Patterson live in Raleigh. Thank you, Destiny.